Neil here from Clean. When we do gutter cleans, we always offer a complimentary roof inspection, and as part of the work we do take a detailed look at your roof. We look at the tiles, we look at the pointing, and look what I found here for this customer, a gaping hole in the ridge cap. Now, as a lot of water would go through here and into her roof, and she's actually complained of a leak in the ceiling of the kitchen. And there's a couple of things. Probably this could be one of the reasons why that's happening, but there's also that her downpipes have been completely and utterly blocked, so we've just flushed all of those. So there is quite a bit of value in kind of having that complimentary roof inspection done, and that's part of every gutter clean that we do. And we, as I've mentioned before, we also install the gutter brush for you at no cost if you go ahead and purchase it in advance of the clean. Okay folks, hope that's useful and goes to show the real value of some of these inspections. Thanks, bye.